Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing the first video out of my new series on this channel. It's called I Recreated My Followers' Makeup Looks. So I got people to send me their favorite looks they've ever done on Instagram through DM, and I wrote down several people's names and I'm going to be recreating all of their looks. And so yeah, this is going to be a series. If you have a look that you want me to recreate and you get a shout out on my Instagram and my YouTube page, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram and DM me your favorite look that you've ever done. Just one, please. Just one. And I will write it down and you might get picked to be recreated. So yeah, this one is starting off with a girl named Panchi Puta on Instagram. I'm recreating it, obviously. This is what her photo looks like. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get right into this tutorial. So obviously you already know what is happening. And yeah, so I'm gonna get started by using this yellow single shade I got from Makeup Forever from Sephora. This is in the shade, I don't know, but it's yellow, okay? So we're gonna take this and we're going to just blend it to filth on my eye. I already have my eye primed with some concealer, did not set it, so yeah. Also, I look extra shiny because I put on some glow primer and some liquid highlight for under my foundation. And yeah, anyway, let's get started using this yellow. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35V palette. Now this palette is beat up. This is my very first colorful palette. This shade, and this shade is all gone. And this shade fell out, and also the top of it broke. So you can tell that this is a very loved palette. I'm going to be taking this orange shade right here and lightly blending that up into my crease. Okay, now I'm going to cut my crease using the Wet n Wild concealer. That's the word for it. This is in the shade Light Medium Beige. I'm just going to put some on my hands. I'm going to use this flat brush. And yeah, just cut my crease, you know? Alright, I'm going to pack this hot pink shade on the center of my eyelid, not the center, the inner corner of my eyelid. Also not setting this concealer because I want my color to pop more. Alright, so now I'm going to mix this color right here and then take me back to Brazil palette and this color right here in the Morphe 35O or B palette. The reason I'm doing this is because I feel like the Morphe one is too dark, and the BH Cosmetics one is too light. So yeah, I'm just going to be putting this purple in the outer corner of my eye. Going back in with the same brush that I used with the hot pink, just going to blend that out just a little bit more into the purple, just to make that blend nice and soft and seamless. Okay, I'm gonna go do my face makeup and I'll be right back to finish off the eyes. Alright, so next what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this purple, the rest of the purple that's on the brush, and just do my lower lash line. I'm on live right now, you guys, so like if you guys wanna follow my Instagram so you can see me go live while I'm doing these videos, that'd be dope. My friend Brittany, say hey Brittany! Hey! Next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this liquid liner by NYX and I'm just going to do a regular old wing. Alright, so I'm going to take this NYX Vivid Brights in I think I'm going to add some hot pink glitter. Alright, I'm going to take the NYX glitter primer and pack that on my eyelid, just to, like in the corner. Alright everyone, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give a big old thumbs up. Make sure you go follow my Instagram because I like to go live on there sometimes while I'm doing my makeup, and it's a lot of fun. So just come holla at me over there, and I will see you there and in the comment section of this video, because you're gonna tell me everything you think about me. I will see you all next time. Bye!